Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion Crazy Coupon Cravers. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for tuning in. I couldn't do the station without you guys. The weather has been so bad out here. The last couple of days it's been raining, but Monday we had freezing rain, so that wasn't very good. So tell me about your weather and just tell me how everything's going. And if you have any questions, just feel free to share it with me. Thank you for tuning in. Mom was so worried because I was going to get my hair highlighted and cut and stuff. And she was so worried because she thought that with the weather that I couldn't get it done, but I got it done. So, but thank you for tuning in. And just thank you for all the continuous prayers for my mom and everything. She's got another UTI and she's just, like I said, haven't been feeling all that well, really weak and stuff. So, and she's been getting muscle pain. So, but thank you for all your prayers. So, but we ended up going to Walgreens. One of my favorite deals was the Crest. These are $3, and this is $3. There's a $2 digital, and then there's a $2 digital. And so when you check out, you get $3 back. So you pay $2, but then you get $3 back, so it's $1 moneymaker. So if you like Crest and you need a toothbrush, that's a fantastic deal. I ended up buying four different Tide and Bounce and Gain products. They're on sale $5.49. There was a $1.50 coupon. The Bounce dryer sheet, there was a $1.50 or $1 off. The fabric softener, $5.49. There was a $1 off. And then the Gain was $5.49. There was a $1.50 off. So I ended up paying like $16.99, and then I got a $5 register reward. So it made it like $11.99 for all four of those. And I thought that was a fantastic stack-up deal. I also bought the Gain. It's buy two of them, $1.99, $1.99, and then when you check out, you get $1 back or extra or coupon. So or register reward. So it makes it $1.49 a piece. So that's a fantastic deal if you like Gain. This is my favorite. You could do it in store or out of store. Now they're out of stock, but these were only $3.49. You can do curbside pickup. If you do curbside pickup, either use the WAG 10 or Fast Welcome 10, and it's taken an extra like 5% off or 10% off. But I thought that was a fantastic deal. There's a $1 coupon, so you pay $2.49, and then you can go to Swag Bucks, Inbox Dollars, or Shopium for another $1. So it makes it really cheap if you buy several of these. So I thought that was a fantastic deal. The other one is the toilet paper is not on sale. It's $5, buy one, get one half price. So, and then there's a $1 digital in there. And then, like I said, you can go to Swag Bucks, Shopium, and all that. And there's extra coupons and extra savings there. So that's my haul. I ended up getting the 7 off of 35. And then I bought some soda. Soda is on sale too. Dr. Pepper, and that is 3 for $13.99. So that is better than what it has been. So, but thank you for tuning in, and just thank you again for all your support. I couldn't do the station without you guys, and I just hope you give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't. And I appreciate all the watch hours that you give me, because so I can get monetized. So thank you for all your support. God bless you. I hope you can score. Thank you guys. Bye.